Have lunch with us at Capean here in Cavite. Specifically, it is located inside Abagatan T Manila, which is a hotel and events place in Amuyong, Alfonso, Cavite. It's open every day, usually from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Malaking alfresco area nila here, although meron din silang indoor area na may aircon. We went here on a Monday, so close yung restaurant nila, kaya hindi na rin kami nakababa, and hindi na rin ako naka-video dun sa lake nearby. The vibe here is very peaceful and calm dahil na rin napapalibutan siya ng maraming plants and trees, plus yung man-made lake pa nga. So, ito yung mga na-try naming drinks. My mom and I ordered yung kanilang dark choco chip frap. Since ang hilig talaga namin sa drinks ay yung on the sweeter side, this was 6 out of 10 for us. Although understandable naman na dark chocolate nga kasi, pero mas mapait lang to compared sa iba naming na-try. Next, yung sa ate ko is yung chocolate cream. This was good, matamis, pero hindi naman sobra na nakakaumay na. This was 8 over 10 for us. Sa little sister ko, mocha yung in-order niya. Sa lahat ng in-order namin, ito yung pinakalasang-lasa mo yung pagkakape niya. Lastly, kay daddy, as usual ay matcha. This was 9 out of 10 for us as someone na hindi talaga mahilig sa matcha. Nagustuhan ko siya, matamis siya, tapos sa aftertaste mo malalasahan yung matcha. Sa food naman nila, we ordered their potato wedges. This was 6 out of 10 for me. Malaki yung serving, it's filling, pero for me, wala siya masyadong lasa, so kailangan mo talagang i-dip sa sauce. Next is their Alfredo pasta. Ito, as far as I remember, is 305 pesos. This was 10 out of 10 for me. Tamang-tama lang yung creaminess. Hindi masyadong overpowering yung parmesan, which I prefer, and okay din yung serving niya. Lastly, we ordered their strawberry cheesecake. This was 9 out of 10 for me. Siksik yung cheesecake niya and masarap din yung strawberry. All in all, our dining experience here was very nice. We love the ambience, maraming Instagrammable spots, and malaki rin pala yung parking nila here. Pagdating sa food and drinks, I would say nasa pricier side, pero some of them naman ay talagang worth it. So if you're looking for a cafe here in Alfonso, Cavite, you might want to try Capean.